Two bikers A and B start and ride at 75 kilometers per hour and 60 kilometers per hour respectively towards each other. They meet after 20 minutes. How far in kilometers were they from each other when they started? So we have biker A and biker B. They both move towards each other. So A moves towards B and B moves towards A. And what is the speed of A? It is 75 kilometers per hour. And what is the speed of B? It is 60 kilometers per hour. And they meet after 20 minutes. So how far they traveled? Let us suppose C is the point where both of them meet. So B traveled for 20 minutes and A traveled for 20 minutes. So we are asked to find out the distance between A and B. So the distance between A and B is nothing but the distance covered by A in 20 minutes and the distance covered by B in 20 minutes. So we know speed is nothing but distance by time. Then distance equal to speed multiplied by time. So what is the distance covered by A? Its speed is 75 kilometers per hour multiplied by time is 20 minutes. 20 minutes is nothing but 20 by 60 hours. Hours gets cancelled. It's nothing but 1 by 3. So 25 kilometers is the distance covered by A in 20 minutes. And what is the distance covered by B in 20 minutes? Its speed is 60 kilometers per hour multiplied by what is the time? It's again 1 by 3 hour. So it is nothing but hours gets cancelled. It is equal to 20 kilometers. So what is the total distance covered by A and B? 25 plus 20, which is equal to 45 kilometers. So 45 kilometers is the initial distance between A and B. Without much calculation, using mental math, we can solve this. What is speed? Speed is nothing but distance covered in the given time. So speed is 75 kilometers per hour. Means 75 kilometers is the distance covered in 1 hour. How much we want? We want what is the distance covered in 20 minutes. 20 minutes is nothing but 1 by 3rd hour. So 1/3 hour means 25 kilometers. Same way. 60 kilometers per hour means 60 kilometers is the distance covered in 1 hour. Then 1/3 hour, what is the distance covered? 60 by 3, it is 20 kilometers. Again, the answer is 45 kilometers. Even we can solve this question using relative speed method. A and B move towards each other, which means they move in the opposite direction. So A moves in this direction and B moves in this direction. So basically both are moving in opposite direction. When two objects are moving in the opposite direction, the relative speed will be the speed of A plus speed of B will be the relative speed, which means they cover more distance. So what is the speed of A? It is 75 kilometers per hour. And what is the speed of B? It is 60 kilometers per hour. So what is the relative speed? It is 60 plus 75, 135 kilometers per hour. So what does it mean? Both together, when they move in the opposite direction, they are able to cover a distance of 135 kilometers in 1 hour. That is the relative speed. If they are able to cover 135 kilometers in 1 hour, 20 minutes means it is 1 by 3rd hour. So 135 multiplied by 1 by 3rd, which is equal to 45 kilometers is the distance covered in 20 minutes.